During our upcoming Cleanovators Virtual Summit, we're excited to hear from former NASA astronaut Captain Scott Kelly, who spent over 520 days in space. In addition to being our keynote speaker, Captain Kelly will also be answering your questions. So learn more and register at cleanovator'sevent.com. We're joined right now by Captain Kelly, who's going to go ahead and answer a question for us. Captain Kelly, in all your time in space, what was the role that hygiene played in that, and how did you keep yourself clean?
You know, hygiene in space is incredibly important, especially when you don't have a shower. Also, in microgravity, bacteria and viruses grow much more, rapidly than they do here on Earth. And it's not like you can, call a cleaning crew to clean the place down. So, it's important for our personal hygiene that we, stay clean. I think, when you're in gravity and you take a shower, I think a lot of like stuff that comes off you, dead skin and things just washes down the drain. Doesn't happen in space. So what we do is we kind of use either wet wipes or a washcloth with some soap that doesn't require rinsing. And, you do your best. It's kind of like being on a camping trip. But more importantly, every single weekend, we spend half a day wiping down all the surfaces, everything you touch with your hands to make sure it is clean. Because if it's not, you can get sick, and then that jeopardizes the mission. Kind of similar to how we operate down here on Earth with clean rooms, and how the attention to detail that's required when you have a certain level of cleanliness requirement is incredibly important, and something that we all have to pay the utmost attention to.
Thank you, Captain Kelly, and we hope that you will be able to join us Thursday, October 1st at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Again, to learn more about the event and to submit your own question, visit www.cleanovator'sevent.com. Thanks for watching.